Hi there. Let's figure out how we're going to use our math manipulatives. We're going to start with some magnets. You can choose any number of magnets you like. I'm going to choose 4 and 6. We're going to use our number bond and then our number sentence. So I have magnets. I have 1 oblong magnet, 2 oblong magnets, 3 oblong magnets, and then I have a 4th oblong magnet. So let's write that down. My first part of my number bond is 4. Let's figure out the second part of our number bond. I have 1 round magnet, 2 round magnets, 3, 4, 5, and 6 round magnets. So the second part of my number bond is 6. So my whole number, I just said I have 6, and the first part of our number bond is 4, so 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. See if they'll stick. 10 magnets. Our whole number is 10. Let's move on to the second part. Let's do a number sentence. Oops. Okay, using our same manipulatives, but using the number sentence, we're going to add again. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Our first number is 4. We're adding. Our second number was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Our second number was 6. And again, our whole number, we count them again. We just said 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Our whole number is 10. 4 plus 6 equals our sum, which is 10. Now we're going to use the same manipulative, our magnets, but we're going to subtract. And I have changed my numbers. Okay, so my whole number that I'm starting with is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My whole number is 6. Let's write that down. My whole number is 6. But I'm going to take away 3. I'm going to take away 1, 2, 3. So I've taken away 3. Take it away. And I'm left with 1, 2, 3. I'm left with 3. I had 6, I took away 3, and I'm left with 3. Now we want to do our number sentence. Again, we started with 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We took away, so we're subtracting. We took away 3. 1, 2, 3. Took away 3. And that equals, it's the same as our difference, which is 1, 2, 3.